What if you could simultaneously reduce your environmental impact and make your wallet thicker? We're dissecting the straightforward link between your finances and a sustainable future in this video. You'll discover useful advice that benefits not only the environment, but also your pocketbook. Prepare to learn how you can improve your financial situation while contributing to a better society. Most people think that being good to the environment and being good with money are two different things. You may even believe that making green decisions will slow down your wealth and cost more. But what if you're really losing money because of that widespread belief? In actuality, a significant change is taking place. Sustainable businesses are frequently more creative and effective, and new opportunities are presented daily. This is turning to a wise strategy for accumulating long-term wealth, not just a fad. In other words, green finance is the way of the future, and that presents a huge opportunity for your own financial success. Let's discuss 3 easy strategies you can put into practice right now. Strategy 1 is the green efficiency boost. Let's begin in your own house. Making your home a money-saving device is the main goal of this first tactic. Using a smart thermostat or switching to LED light bulbs are 2 easy ways to significantly reduce your electricity costs. Consider this. Lower monthly expenses translate into less energy being used. Your wallet will directly benefit from it. What's the best part? Many of these improvements are inexpensive and quickly pay for themselves. You're keeping more of your hard-earned money in addition to helping the environment. Strategy 2 is the ASG investment edge. Let's now discuss how to make your money work more efficiently. Investing in companies that are responsible, those that treat people well, care about the environment, and have strong leadership is known as ESG investing. The part that's amazing, regular funds have been outperforming many of these ESG funds. This implies that you're not foregoing profits in order to have a beneficial influence. You can support companies that are creating a better future while gradually increasing your wealth. It's a classic win-win situation for both your portfolio and your conscience. Strategy 3 is the sustainable spending shift. Let's finally alter your daily routine. The goal of this strategy is to make wise purchasing decisions. Select long-lasting, high-quality items rather than disposable, low-quality ones. Instead of purchasing plastic water bottles every day, use reusable ones. To cut down on food waste, plan your meals. These minor adjustments result in significant cost savings. You'll save more money, buy less, and waste less. Spending wisely for the environment and your budget is more important than spending more. It's simple to feel overpowered by all of these concepts, but keep in mind that you don't have to do everything at once. The important thing is to simply begin. Choose just one small thing this week. Examine your energy bill to determine where you consume the most electricity. Or just search for ESG funds to see what's available. The ideal first step is to simply use reusable shopping bags for your upcoming grocery trip. Over time, small regular actions lead to big outcomes. Start with one thing today. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Monetive to show your support for our channel. If you found any of these tips useful, it enables us to continue producing content that simplifies and improves your financial journey. Watch our video on creating a rapidly growing emergency fund to continue building your wealth the proper way. Thank you for watching, and keep in mind that creating a rich life that benefits the environment and yourself is what true wealth is all about.